Yesterday I had participated for an amazing leadership training camp. So this is what they did. Yesterday around night 9:30 or something, they divided. So they actually divided the entire student circle into different teams. Okay. So each team, for example, our team consists of 6 members. 3 members were basically put in one room. Remaining 3 members were put in the other room. So these 3 members were basically given a set of ropes. They were given this rope training. Rope training means what? This entire rope is there, no? So they'll be telling you how you can tie it up for the trees for climbing up in terms of tech. Whereas other team was basically taught how to handle the equipments. For example, when you're climbing up very high, you have to use these equipments to reach to the peak, right? Very simple as that. But we both do not know what really happened in the other room, each vice versa. So today what we are going to do is about our entire teammates are going to club together and we have to quickly learn it within 20 minutes. Okay, after learning for 20 minutes, we'll be put up for the now. How the leadership element is basically judges over here is that now, for example, I'm a person who's putting the rope. Immediately, the next person should make sure that he's putting up all kind of equipments for me to climb. Now, how is this particular element linked to the leadership is about? Being a leader, it's not about what message they shared was like. Being a leader, you should not be like, okay, I just know the rope. I'm not going to care about what's happening on the other side. That should be a wrong assumption. You should never do it. Being a leader, it's important for you to know both the side, both the perspectives in terms of handling the rope plus this one. Because if one person is not alert in that particular team, the entire rock climbing can be flawed and the entire team will collapse. Okay, so being a leader, it's not about being very specialized in one particular domain and not interested to know about what's happening in other particular domain, but you need to be parallelly knowing what is happening in each other particular department, each other particular domain, plus you're expertising, you're sharing it with another person, plus you're climbing it up. So the moral which they thought is about, make sure that you're delegating the work equally to, just don't be very self-centered that I know this thing, I'm not willing to learn from another person's perspective. Third thing which they thought is about being leader, it's very important for you to make sure that which side you should basically keep your hand and which side you should not keep your hand. Let the team go with its own flow, but make sure that you're supporting, making it to grow along with it. But some situations you have to be silent, allowing them to perform their task, but making sure that you involve when the right time comes. These are the 3 important life learning lessons we can learn from such kind of camps. This kind of activities can literally turn you into a great personality.